Welcome to the virtual unveiling celebration and winner announcement of the You Are What You Bring With You Community Art Project. Today, we gather to celebrate the culmination of a remarkable journey that began on May 2nd and ended on July 17th, celebrating our individual journeys of finding a place we call home and the rich cultural heritage and traditions brought by immigrants and migrants to the United States. Over the past few months, students and adults from Stark County and the surrounding areas shared their stories through art, drawing, painting, collage, and more. This project was inspired by the words and illustrations of artist Yuji Morales, whose featured works are in our exhibition, Finding Home: 4 Artists' Journeys. Yuji reminds us that immigrants and migrants bring many things with them to the United States, including their strengths, abilities, talents, and passions. The project focused on the big question: if you only had a backpack to carry, what personal items, memories, or experiences did you or would you bring with you on your journey to find home? With over 200 artworks submitted, the museum lobby is now full with this question answered. A captivating art installation that weaves together the diversity and richness of our community's journeys. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part, announcing the winners of the 10 backpacks filled with art and writing supplies. We would like to express our gratitude to all who participated. Thank you to our generous sponsors. This project was made possible by the support of the Stark Community Foundation, PNC Foundation, and the Hoover Foundation. Now, let's find out who the lucky winners are. The winners of the 10 backpacks full of art and writing supplies are Valerie Leon, Felicity Gore, Henleigh King, Binta Meaye, Jody Hiles, Tristan Warren, Kayla Schwendeman, Hensley Wagner, Aliya Brownfield, and Michael Herold. Winners will be contacted through email to make arrangements for pickup. Congratulations to all the winners! Your passion for art and creativity will undoubtedly continue to inspire others on their own journeys. We want to extend our gratitude to each and every one of you who participated, supported, and engaged with the project. You can view the final installation until Sunday, July 23rd. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you soon at the Canton Museum of Art. Until then, let's continue celebrating unity through diversity and the boundless power of art.